Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty Guy. Market has given us a long weekend, which is a much needed breather away from the markets, which everyone should take once in a while. Time away from the market gives you a fresh perspective and also gives you time to backtest certain things and make or create your strategies. So I also took it easy making this video on Sunday morning, so you guys can watch it before the market reopens on Tuesday, which is the 1st of April. Now, see, as we had expected, market is in a range. So what we had discussed was uh, that market has been stretched a little bit here during this up move here. And now here either the market has to go sideways for some time or it will give some retracement. So going up would not be that easy after a extended or a parabolic move like this. And that is what exactly market is doing. For Friday, what we had planned was that we will create a long above this particular high with a pullback. We'll create a short below this low with a pullback. Market entirely throughout the day was in this uh, range, in the sideways range, and also giving long opportunities on intraday basis, long, short everywhere, and that is something where you don't want to be trapped. So knowing when not to trade is also a skill because saving your hard-earned money is something which is very, very important in these market scenarios. And we are expecting that markets will be sideways here, and we don't unnecessarily want to risk and lose our capital. So taking genuine SLs is cool, but taking unnecessary risks without planning and then knowing especially that market can be sideways and if you take a breakout trade that might fail, if you take a breakdown trade that might fail. So it is always best to be prepared for the same. So again, for the 1st of April, don't be a fool. Let market decide where it wants to go. Don't be an April fool. Let market decide where it wants to go, and we will follow its course. There's no hurry, no rush. No trade is also a good trade. So again, for the 2nd of April, it will be very, very simple. Sorry, 2nd of April, 1st of April. 31st is the holiday, 1st of April. Uh, our trade plan will be again very simple. We'll create a long if the market breaks out of this range. We'll create a short if market comes down from this range. Now, there are certain macro economic factors that might trigger some price action moves. So, the business relations between India and US based on the tariffs that Trump has imposed. 2nd April, believe, is the deadline, and there would be many discussions that would be happening over this period. And both countries would be releasing certain statements. So, those statements, based on whether they are positive, whether they are negative, can impact or basically give the momentum to the market on either side. So yeah, definitely we can expect a good trade out here. US market stumbled on Friday, which is not a good sign. But see, let's see. We will not predict anything. Like we always say, we don't predict anything, but we are prepared for anything and everything. So we will follow where the price takes us. There is no rush into uh, forcing or unnecessarily taking trades. That I think should be the motto for everyone this year. So we'll stick to this very, very simple plan for Tuesday, and a lot will also depend on the opening RC. Again, if the commentary over the trade tariff war is bad, we might open with a huge gap down. In that scenario, again, we might see a either based on the price action, we might see a gap filling trade, or the market will remain sideways around here, creating a gap over here, and then we'll plan accordingly. But let's not jump to any conclusions. We'll wait for where the opening is on. The best opening would be again, see, in case things are negative, the best opening would be somewhere around either near the bottom or near the top. So Nifty has closed near bottom, and in case if the market opens with a gap up around this day's high, many SLs would be triggered, and that might give us a good trade on the upside. So see, when I tell you something that this is a long trade, this is a short trade, does not mean if the market opens around here, somewhere around here, but still comes all the way down around here and then gives a breakdown, then see it becomes very difficult to trade this particular down move again because Nifty or the market has already traveled a certain distance and then it cannot give you a favorable risk reward. So a lot also depends on where the market opens. That these are certain scenarios which for which we should be prepared for. So, uh, yeah, I hope my videos and my commentary on markets are helping you guys. So, in case if you like the way I analyze Nifty and I explain the trades, the SLs, and how do I trail the SLs, and what exactly should and how exactly should we plan the next day, and then we should trade that particular plan. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your trading friends or trading communities. I'm new here out here in the content creation space, so that would be a good motivation. Put down anything that you might have in the comments box, be it feedback or criticism. I'm open to both. So yeah, I'll see you guys again on Tuesday evening with a fresh video on the market update for Wednesday. So this is it from me for today. This is your Nifty guy signing off. Cheers. Have a good weekend and a good holiday tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much.